हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय क्लास। आज हम करने वाले हैं एक्सरसाइज। किसकी एक्सरसाइज करने वाले हैं? आज हम करने वाले हैं चैप्टर नंबर 7, द एडवेंचर्स ऑफ सिम्बाद द सेलर की एक्सरसाइज। तो लास्ट क्लास में हमने चैप्टर रीड करा था, चैप्टर का एक्सप्लेनेशन पढ़ा था एंड आई होप कि आपने चैप्टर घर पे रीड करा होगा। रीड करा था अपने घर पे। नाउ नेक्स्ट इज comprehension part 1. So comprehension part 1 में we have given 6 pictures. First number the pictures in the correct order. पहले आपको क्या करना है? करेक्ट ऑर्डर में पिक्चर्स को क्या करना है? क्या करना है आपको? करेक्ट ऑर्डर करना है। करेक्ट ऑर्डर में पिक्चर को प्लेस करना है। ओके, सो फर्स्ट वी विल प्लेस द पिक्चर इन द करेक्ट ऑर्डर। सो पहली पिक्चर कौन सी है? दिस इज नंबर 1। दिस इज नंबर 1। नाउ आप ये सोच रहे हो कि मैम ने इसमें नंबर 1 क्यों लिखा है? मैम ने इसे नंबर 1 इसलिए लिखा है बिकॉज आपको याद है स्टार्टिंग ऑफ द चैप्टर सिम्बाद वाज सेलिंग ऑल हिज, क्या कर रहा था? he was selling all his money. So this was the first portion. Second, in the second part he went to many other countries to for trading purpose. Trading purpose के लिए गया था अपना. What he was doing? He was traveling around the world and selling his things. ठीक है? This was the second one. Now, third is ship has been drawn and what he was doing? He was floating at the barrel. He was floating on the barrel. Barrel पे float कर रहा था ना 5 days तक कर रहा था. Now, then after that he found an island and he went to आइलैंड पे गया था. फिर उसे वहां खाना मिला. पीपल वहां के लोगों ने क्या पूछा? वेयर हु आर यू, वेयर हैव यू कम फ्रॉम? So then he told his whole story and people took him to their king. So this is number 4. After that, when he found his ship, when he found his goods, he took permission from the king that he took permission from his king, from the king that, sir, I have got my ship, I have got my goods, और अब मैं जा सकता हूँ अपने घर की नहीं जा सकता. तो he was taking permission ले रहा था. So this is number 5 and last is Simbad reached his home Basra. So we have placed the pictures in the correct order. Now what is given? This is the first portion where we need to place the numbers. Correct order में हमें pictures को place करना था. Second is match the pictures A to F with each sentence that describes them. अब हमें यहाँ पे A to F में इसको match करना है. Like first picture is कौन सी है ये? First picture is सिम्बाद क्या कर रहा है? सिम्बाद what he is doing? Simbad found an island and got food and job. This हो रहा है नहीं? When he went to the king palace, तो king ने उसे क्या बोला? खाना भी दिया और job भी दी. So this is A. Write A in front of number 2. Second is Simbad went back to Basra. Okay. Now Simbad got lost at C. Simbad got lost at sea. C. So this is number C. Now, Simbad found his lost sheep and his captain. So this is number D. Now, E is Simbad spent all his money. And this is F. Simbad traveled around the world and sold his things. ठीक है, जैसे हमने पिक्चर्स को करेक्ट ऑर्डर में प्लेस किया था, यहाँ पे हमें ए बी सी डी को इस सेंटेंसेस के अकॉर्डिंग प्लेस करना है. गॉट इट? Now next is your true and false. Write T for true and F for false. Correct the false statements in your notebook. तो ये आप अपने आप करेंगे false statements. You will do it yourself. And I will only tell you the sentence which are true and which are false. Okay? True and false I will tell you, and correction of the sentences you will do it on your own. Simbad's father had lot of money. Is it true? Yes, Simbad's father has lot of money. So this statement is true. Simbad decided to sell his things. The statement is also true here. Yes, obviously he decided to sell his things. Simbad was sleeping on an island. Was it true? No, he was sleeping on a whale. He was sleeping on a whale. वो तो whale पे sleep कर रहा था ना. Simbad and his captain floated to an island together. अब आप ये बताओ, सिम्बाद अकेले ट्रैवल करा दूसरे आइलैंड पे या किसी और के साथ गया था? No, he traveled alone, not with any other person. So this statement is also false. Next, the king gave Simbad a job. Yes, king gave Simbad the job. It's true. The king said Simbad could not go home. This is false. So, we have done today comprehension part 1. Hope you have understood how you have to do this, and I will meet you in the next class with the next portion of this chapter. So, bye bye and take care of yourself.